Okay, so thank you for clicking this video and wanting to watch this. Today, we father and son are going to make something easy, simple and tasty at the same time. And do you know something that is? Definitely a soup.
That is a name is called soup. Sweet corn chicken soup.
Really tasty. And before we get on with the video, I would like to tell you one more thing. Now if you look up, you will find one card saying about our chili chicken video which we made last time. And if you look over here, you will get our other suggested videos including playlist. Make sure to watch it after watching this video. And thank you. So let's get started.
One more thing. Chili chicken and sweet corn chicken soup is very good combination.
Oh, really?
Really, it's
Nice. Let the ingredients begin.
Okay. The ingredients are chicken breast. If you want, you can change into any parts of chicken. Sweet corn cream style. You can get from any supermarket. Dark soya sauce. Tomato ketchup. Green chilli and garlic fine chopped. Spring onion chopped. Fresh coriander leaves chopped. 1 egg. Corn flour. Crushed black peppercorn 1 gram. Salt to taste. Sunflower oil 5 ml. Today I am making 4 portions of chicken soup. I cut chicken breast into 3 pieces for making chicken stock. Chicken. Add black pepper and salt. Then add 1 spoon of soya sauce, 1 spoon of tomato ketchup, 1 pinch of chopped coriander, also spring onion. Add 1 liter of water. Then boil the stock approximately 20 minutes. Yes, almost 20 minutes now. So now I'm going to remove the chicken from the stock.
Looks really delicious. Why did you remove the chicken from the soup?
Yeah, this is not a soup, this is stock. Okay.
Oh.
Now I'm going to shred the chicken for making soup.
Alright.
Now the chicken ready for soup. See that I already shredded the chicken like that, small pieces like that. Alright. Meanwhile, dilute the corn flour with the cold water. Make sure don't use hot water for diluting the corn flour like that. Put sufficient amount of water. Mix it thoroughly. Make sure there's no lumps inside the corn flour. There's no lumps inside the corn flour water. Then break the egg, mix it very well for thickening the soup. The first step, heat the frying pan and just add only 1 spoon of oil. Then add chopped green chilli and garlic. Then saute until light brown color. The garlic almost brown color now. So I am going to add 1 spoon of tomato ketchup and soya sauce around 10 ml. Then you have to add the shredded chicken. Mix like that. After 10 seconds, so you have to add the sweet corn paste. Again mix it around 5 seconds. Then add the stock. This stock exactly for 4 people. Then mix very well. Then add crushed black pepper. Also add salt. Again mix very well. Then pour the mixture of egg and stir it very well. Then add the corn flour water to adjust the thickening of the soup. Yeah, that's fine now. Finally, garnish with spring onion and chopped fresh coriander leaves. Soup ready. Note the point. After adding chopped coriander and spring onion, don't boil the soup. If you boil the soup, the taste of the soup will be totally changed.
Hi Daddy, looks like the soup is ready. Looks really delicious and yummy.
Yeah, now go for taste.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, the soup tasting time. Adesh, go ahead.
Okay then. Wow, really nice. And it tastes almost the same combination I told earlier in this video. Remember that? Combination of chicken and as well as the sweet corn. And it's really sweet.
Yeah, really very good. I like it.
Nice.
This is one of our favorite soup.
Definitely.
Usually, we will prepare this soup in our home once in a month. Whenever I get a time, really I prepare this soup. Really guys, please go ahead.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And you can click the smash that like button which is down here. And then don't forget to share this and like it. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.
Thank you.
Bye.